What's up, guys? You know who it is. This is Leo here. So today we're gonna be working on the Z again, and if you guys look very closely, you should already know what's happening. So I already started on one side of the car. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing because I kind of started recording late. Sorry for that. So right now I'm sanding down the caliper. We're gonna be painting the calipers on all four. Not gonna just fuck with two. But yeah, so I'm sanding it down, trying to get all the little spots. Then I'm gonna put tape, and then we're gonna cover all this. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. Let me show you guys how it's going over here. So I'm pretty much already done with this one. There's tape right here and right here on this fitting. Not a lot of tape. I didn't fuck with all that because eventually I want to go to a Brembo setup, so I don't really care about this. Eventually I'm just gonna go with the Brembos and get better brakes. Even though it's a drift car, I don't really need brakes, but I just wanna, since it's my daily still, I still wanna have it to be nice. So let's get to it. I'm rambling. Alright, so you guys saw I sanded it down as much as I could. Now I have a little bit of brake cleaner left. I didn't use it on that side, so I'm gonna see the difference between using it and not using it. But let's see. I'm just gonna use a little bit of brake cleaner to get the rest of the dust off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start painting. Alright, so this is a setup that I went with, a bunch of trash bags, and I don't have the biggest dumbass. Okay, so this is a setup that I went with. I don't have big trash bags. My girlfriend's gonna bring me some right now for the rear, for when I do the rear. But so I have two trash bags right here, all taped up and shit. And pretty much I just cover this, cover the fitting back here, and that's about it, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna get painting. I just did the first coat, and my luck hit, and it's starting to rain. So I'm gonna stop now. Hopefully it dries before it rains, but with my luck it probably won't. So I'm gonna tape up the bags a little bit more so it doesn't fly away. But yeah, this one's pretty much done. I think it looks nice. I'm just gonna let it sit there. Whenever it stops raining, I'll come back out and take everything off so I can actually see it good. But yeah, so I guess I'll catch you guys either when it stops raining or tomorrow. So it stopped raining for a little bit and I came outside, but it still looks like it's gonna rain. But I did the second coat on this one. Is drying right now. The bag keeps on hitting it, which kind of pissed me off, but whatever. So it's drying right now, and then I'm gonna do a third coat, and then I'm putting this plastic dip glossifier on it because I'll show you guys when it dries. It's like really like it's not a matte color. It's like it just doesn't have any like shine, any gloss. It's like semi-gloss or plain. That was sliding. Yeah, so look, this is how this one came out. I did get some overspray on there. The tape didn't go as well. Some overspray on the rotor. This will come out. That's not a big deal. All this I can like grind down. Like, it's already coming off. Look at that. It's not that big a deal. That's obviously where I painted. So yeah, I think it looks pretty badass. There's obviously like this spot back here I didn't get, but you're not really gonna see it. It's honestly mostly for this part to be seen, as like for show. And yeah, so it, as you can see, it looks kind of glossy. So I think the glossifier actually did something. So good job on there. And yeah, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so now it's really kind of dry. You can see that it's like really flat. It's not really glossy. So I'm gonna do one more coat. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. It looks like it's still kind of wet there. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, do another coat, and put the glossifier on it so you guys can see the difference. Alright, so that's with no glossifier. Alright guys, for this look you gotta have a special skill, you know. There's that rainy gloss. Nah, I'm just kidding. It started raining really fucking hard, and it didn't get to cure. I have like little spots on my hands from touching it, but you know, it's just for looks. Like, I honestly don't care. I think it's gonna look nice, and unless you get like really close to it, you're not gonna be able to tell. But this is definitely a nice DIY to do at home. I'm not gonna show you all four. I showed you how to do the one, and pretty much just do it 4 times. If you have 4 calipers, if you have a little two rotor pad car, then just twice. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'll just show you guys pictures of the car when it's done with all 4 calipers painted. I'm gonna put it down from here now, and then maybe do the back tomorrow, and then I'll edit and all that crap. So I also decided to throw in this little clip of me doing my tail lights. I wasn't gonna make a whole video on this because it's not worth it. It's not like a lot going on. So, but I'll just throw it into this video. I got the headlight marked down. I was gonna tint them. Like, I really wanted to tint them, do it the right way, but I couldn't do it myself. I would have to take it to a shop because all the tints that I could find, they weren't the ones that I needed. So I went ahead and I just bought the nightshade, and I went ahead and did already one of the headlights. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now. But yeah, so pretty much you mask out the tail light and make sure you clean it. I have Windex or glass cleaner, whatever, over here, and I had some glue gone, because if you try to tint it yourself and you fucked up, then you're gonna need the glue gone. Well, so yeah, so it's all cleaned up. I'm gonna start now, but I'm gonna show you guys this side. This is how it's gonna look at the ends. This I plasti dipped, and it looks really nice. Let me show you guys. If I lock the car, you can still see the light. So it looks okay, plasti dipped. I wish I would have done the nice shit on that too, cause it looks kind of like in bits. But yeah, it looks really dark. The tail light looks, but it looks so badass from back here. Like, it's all blacked out. Like, that's the whole theme of my car. I want it to be a black on white kind of thing. So I need to get the tints on my front windows, and yeah, so pretty much black out. Well, so pretty much black out everything that I can. It's gonna be like a black on white type of thing. That's what I want it to look like until I wrap the car or paint the car, whatever I'm gonna do with it. But yeah, so let's get to it. Let me show you guys. I'm not a professional. I fucking suck at this. I got overspray on my car already. I got all this overspray. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off because I don't know what the fucking nightshade is. I think it's just glass paint, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is what one coat looks like. You can already tell the difference. It's unbelievable. You can already tell the difference. This is one coat. I did like 3 or 4 coats on this one because I really want it to be dark, and it just started raining. Look at that. It's just my luck. I still haven't done my rear calipers, but it started raining. So yeah, this is one coat. If you want it to be kind of dark, this is okay. You know, it still looks nice. I really liked it, but I really want to go for the blacked out look, like the fucking like I want this color on here and still be able to see the lights, but sadly it's not possible. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please leave a like and leave a comment. Tell me how I could do it better. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay in your lane, guys.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dubs.